Hello friends, I know I make a lot of silly science videos on here, but today I read something that made my blood run cold. Chronic wasting disease, the degenerative infectious brain disease that deer have, has been successfully transferred to non-human primates. Prion diseases are caused by infectious proteins. They're contagious proteins which are able to spread their misshapen structure to other proteins. Until recently, we thought that CWD was only found in deer, but scientists have been able to transfer them to squirrel monkeys. That's these guys right here. You may have read that some scientists reported they were able to spread it to macaques, and another group tried to repeat their study and found that while macaques were not sensitive to it, squirrel monkeys were, and that is a huge deal. We had until recently believed that chronic wasting disease was just found in deer, similarly to how scrapie, a prion disease found in sheep, is not transferable to humans. There are a few different theories about how mad cow disease got started, one of which is that we fed diseased sheep to cows. The other is that it was endogenous to cows, and when we fed diseased cows to other cows, it ultimately infected us. While we haven't yet found conclusive evidence that it is transferable to humans, the CDC has warned against eating the infected deer. Although it's only a recently discovered disease, and things like mad cow disease have between a 2 and 30-year incubation period. Michael Osterholm is the director of the University of Minnesota Center for Infectious Disease Research and Prevention, was one of the scientists who helped with the BSE epidemic in the 1980s, and he believes that chronic wasting disease will become a human problem. One of the problems with the disease is that we don't know how it became so widespread. Normally, herbivores would not be that susceptible to getting a prion disease because they are not eating infected neural tissue from other animals under normal circumstances. Some scientists believe it may be transferred by bodily fluids or fecal matter, but ultimately we do not really know, and that makes it a big risk for us until we figure out what is going on.